you ready to make your own cool DIY binoculars? So, grab 2 empty toilet rolls, glue and some coloring pens, and let's get started. Apply some glue to one of the empty toilet rolls. Then place the other empty toilet roll over the glue and push the 2 empty toilet rolls together. It's important to wait a little while until the glue dries. Let's see what my dog thinks about this. Using my DIY binoculars, I can see what he's up to. As you can see, he is clearly looking to catch some flies. Isn't he a cutie? Grab those coloring pens or coloring markers and draw some cool pictures, some smiley faces or flowers or even a ladybug. You can draw whatever you want to draw. Remember to also write your name. There you have it, your very own cool DIY binoculars. Let's head outside to see if we can spot anything. I can see some trees, some grasses, a beautiful pink flower. What can you spot?